Hello everyone, I will show you for the vending machine from Japan. It can install outside. That means it can do IP65 and 66. I will show you how to do. For this, we will close. For this is for coils, water, no problem. For this part, water, no problem. For this one, because here is for bill acceptor. So the water will into this. The Japanese do like this. But this one, it is not convertible if we do like this, because when somebody will put the money, they have to open this and put like this. Okay, I will show you. All the most of the vending machine from Japan will install outside, because this machine they can do IP7, IP65 and 66. And for this part, you can do this. He have the rubber and the water cannot into the machine. So if you curious want to do IP 65 and 66, I think it's difficult, but can do.